In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a job on QuickBooks Online, which can be done in just a few minutes. Whether you're a small business owner keeping track of numerous client projects or a freelancer managing multiple gigs, knowing how to efficiently add jobs in QuickBooks can be a real game changer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to click and what to enter, streamlining your workflow and helping you stay organized. First, let's begin by accessing QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll notice a sign-in option situated on the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. If you're a frequent user of QuickBooks, you know that this sign-in process is your gateway to handling all financial matters. Enter your email address followed by your password. Be mindful to input these details accurately to avoid any hiccups as you proceed. With your credentials ready, click the Sign In button again to enter your QuickBooks account. Once inside, the first thing you want to do is locate the Customers and Leads section. You'll find this option in your account's navigation panel. Click on it to open up more options specifically tailored to managing your customers and any associated projects. Now that you're in the Customers and Leads section, look for an option labeled Customers. Clicking on this will take you to a page where all your customer information is displayed. It's like the central hub for anyone you're doing business with or those you plan to invoice, making this step crucial for setting up the job. As you prepare to add a new job, you'll need to create it under the correct customer. For this, you'll see a New Customer button. Clicking on this option will allow you to introduce new projects tied to your already existing clients, or even set up a new client if necessary. Once you click this button, you'll be directed to fields where you can enter information about the new job you're adding. Next, focus on the customer display name. This field requires the name of the customer, as you want it to appear on your documents or invoices. Don't rush this part. Accuracy here will help ensure that all further communication and bookkeeping remain organized and properly attributed. At this point, you'll notice an option to check a box labeled "Is a sub-customer." By checking this box, you signify that the current entry is related to an ongoing project or job associated with another primary customer. This is particularly useful if the job you're adding is part of a larger contract or involves collaboration with a parent company. Once you've checked that box, a new field will appear, prompting you to choose the parent customer. This step is where you select the main client or parent company that this job will be linked to. It's essential to connect the project to the correct parent customer to ensure that everything aligns seamlessly within your financial reporting and client interactions. Moving forward, direct your attention to the company name field. Here, you should enter the title of the job you're adding. While this step might sound straightforward, the job title you input should be detailed enough to give you a clear idea of what the project involves, but succinct enough to easily reference and manage. This is how you'll differentiate this specific role from others when you're later reviewing your job list. Finally, with all the necessary details filled in, the last step is to click on Save. This action securely stores all the information you've just entered, making it available whenever you need to reference or modify it in the future. Saving this entry not only confirms that a new job has been successfully added, but also integrates it into your tracking and reporting systems within QuickBooks. And there you have it, you've successfully added a job on QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you streamline your project management process, ensure better client communication, and lay a solid foundation for accurate financial tracking. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps if needed and feel confident that you're mastering another useful feature within your QuickBooks toolbox. Thank you for watching and be sure to check out other QuickBooks tutorials to continue optimizing your financial management skills.